guys, what's up and welcome back to a new video. So in today's video I'm gonna show you guys how to get this beautiful emerald green makeup look. Now I am obsessed with this look. It's giving me spring vibes, it's giving me summer vibes, and I am all for it. I'm so over the cold weather, the rain, the snow and everything, so I just wanted something super bright and vibrant, and this is just that. So if you want to see how to recreate this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I've already done my base and my brows, so we are about to get started on the eyes. And since I want this look to be very bright and vibrant, I am going to use an eyeshadow primer. I usually don't use that if I'm just doing a basic brown smoky eye, but since I want these colors to really pop, I am going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. So I'm just gonna apply this all over my eyelid up to the crease, and I'm just gonna blend it in so that the colors will apply nicely on top. Before I go in with the greens, I am gonna apply a transition color just in my crease because I can't do a look without a transition color. So I'm gonna use the Maven Beauty Medium Blend Palette, and I'm just gonna mix these two colors. This has been my go-to crease color for so many months now, and it's just the perfect crease color. So I'm just gonna take this on a fluffy blending brush and I'm just gonna apply this in my crease. I'm not really going too far out with it because that's where I want the green to be, and I don't want it to turn out muddy when I apply the green, so I'm not gonna apply too much of this one, really just right here in the actual crease and a little bit in towards this part of my eye because I just like the way it looks. So I think this is all I'm gonna do. As you can see, it's very minimal, but I think it will make a big difference in the end result. So now I'm just gonna do this on the other side as well, and then we're gonna move on with the green. Before I go in with the greens, I'm just gonna apply a little bit of baking because I definitely don't want any green eyeshadow sticking in my concealer. So to create this look today, I am gonna use the Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions palette. This is a beautiful palette and it has so many beautiful green shades. I don't know if they still make it. I hope they do, because if you can get your hands on this palette, you are gonna love it. So the first color I'm gonna use from this palette is this bottom green color, and I'm gonna be applying that onto my lid. So I'm just taking it on a flat eyeshadow brush and I'm just gonna be pressing this onto my eyelid. I'm going from the lash line up to the crease and I'm doing pretty much my whole lid. And this is such a beautiful shade. It has like a golden undertone and I just think it's so beautiful. And I'm actually not a green person at all. Like, I don't really go for greens that often, but every time I do, I love it. There we go. So now we're gonna move on to the outer corners, and I'm actually gonna use the same flat brush and I'm gonna pick up this matte beautiful emerald green color, and I'm first gonna press this color on. I want this to be really opaque. So right now I am just pressing on this eyeshadow with the flat brush, and I'm gonna kind of wing it out a little bit. I want this to be kind of a cat eye look, so I'm just pulling it out slightly in the outer corners to give it that cat eye effect. So I'm starting to think if I should pull this into my crease as well, but I kind of like the way it looks and I think it's gonna look good when I put the lashes on. It's just gonna be like a thick smoky liner almost, so I think I'm gonna leave it like this. Okay, so I decided I was gonna put it in the crease anyway. I just think this color is so pretty, so I wanted more of it, and I'm really glad I did it because I think it looks dope. I am literally obsessed. I don't know if the camera picks this up, but it is so pretty. These colors are so beautiful together. So I'm thinking what to do on the bottom, and to be honest, I think I'm just gonna do the same thing. So I'm gonna take this matte shade and I'm just gonna go on the outer half, and the same thing on the other eye. And then I'm just gonna wipe my brush off, and then I'm gonna take the first color and I'm gonna add that into the inner corners. I just cannot get over how pretty these colors are. So to add a little bit of extra sparkle, I'm gonna go in with the Maven Beauty Asteroid Tears UFO liquid eyeshadow, and this is a very sheer reflective green liquid eyeshadow, and I think it's gonna look really cool on top. So I'm just gonna take it and I'm just gonna press it on lightly. I don't want to move any of the eyeshadow I already have on. I'm sorry about the lighting, the sun keeps going in and out of the shadows, so sometimes I'm super orange, like now it's coming back. I'm just gonna add a little bit on the bottom as well. I think that's gonna look good. That looks so pretty. So I think this is actually all for the eyeshadows. Like I said, this was not at all what I had in mind. So I think I'm just gonna add lashes and liner. So for my eyeliner, I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid eyeliner, and then I'm just gonna go on top with a black eyeshadow just to make it a little bit more smoky. So I'm just applying the liquid liner along my lash line, and then like I said, I'm just pressing this black eyeshadow on top. And I usually always do this because I just like the way it looks when the liner is a little bit more smoky. I think it looks a little bit more softer, and like when I want to do a wing, I will go in with just a liquid liner, but for looks like this, when I have a lot of eyeshadow, I like to do it more smoky. I'm sorry, but the sun, like this is so disrespectful. Do you see how orange I am? My skin looks like it's on fire and it's driving me crazy. So I did the black liner, so now I'm gonna go into my waterline. I'm so orange. But anyways, I'm gonna take the Huda Beauty Life Liner. This is a duo eyeliner. It has a liquid side and a pencil side. So I'm gonna take the pencil side and I'm just gonna line my waterline with this. And then again, I'm gonna take that black eyeshadow and I'm just gonna go on top of it to seal it and also make it a little bit more blended in. I don't know if you can see the difference. This looks more smoky and it just looks a lot better than this side. This side looks really harsh and I feel like my eye looks smaller on this side. So by pressing a little bit of this black eyeshadow on top, it's gonna make it look so much better, I think. So the last step is just to apply some mascara and lashes, and the mascara I'm gonna use is the Kicks Daring False Lash Mascara, and then my lashes are from Fyndiq. Alright, so we are zoomed out, and like I said in the beginning, I've already done my full base, so if you want to know what products I use, I will put it in the description box, just like always. So the last step of this look is going to be lips, and I want to do like a super nude lip. Oh, it doesn't look good. I'm gonna take this off and I will be back and I will try something else. Okay, I'm back and I'm gonna try something else. So I'm gonna take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nude Matte Lipstick. This already looks so much better. And then for my lip liner, I'm gonna use Nude Beige by NYX. That one is too purple too. So I'm gonna take Love Bite again. So I think this is kind of what I wanted. I mixed the NYX pencil and Morphe, the Love Bites, and this is more what I wanted. Like I said, I wanted something very nude but still defined, and I think this looks good. It's not too purple, it's not too red, it's kind of in between. So I'm actually gonna leave it like this. So this is the finished look. Again, I'm sorry about the lighting. It was probably all over the place this video. The sun is back again. I can't do anything about it. But yeah, this is all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys like this look, and if you decide to recreate it, I would love to see it. I love when you guys tag me on Instagram, and I've also seen some TikToks. It's super fun. So yeah, again, thank you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!